paper wouldn't exist without this process that started over a millennium ago. Welcome back to another episode where we're taking you to witness one of the oldest methods of making paper by hand. There won't be any factories or machines here. This is a journey back in time to a tradition born 1,400 years ago in a small village in China. The artists of this process spread the pulp thinly onto wooden frames covered with fine mesh. These sheets are then stacked layer by layer, forming a pile of papers that are almost meditative to watch. Once dried, they're separated by hand and pressed against walls to achieve that smooth and flawless finish. They even do not use any machine to trim the sides of the pages. Each sheet made here feels like a piece of art. It carries the imprint of the human touch and has a detail so rare that even modern machines can't copy its beauty. But this process isn't just about making paper. It's about preserving a legacy. Families have been passing down this skill for generations, keeping this craftsmanship alive. And today, this village is a hub of artistry. It's a tourist destination where people from around the world come to experience the magic of handmade paper. During holidays, parents bring their children here to witness this ancient art in action. After all, shouldn't every kid know the origins of something they use every day? Oh, and another fascinating detail of this place is that it allows outsiders to see the raw materials. Young bamboo shoots and unique types of grass are turned into that iconic white pulp right in front of you. The transparency, the tradition, and the timelessness of this place are a must-watch for everyone. This entire handmade paper-making process also reminds me that some things are better when they are slow, mindful, and crafted with love. So, with all our modern machines, don't you think we should still cherish this age-old technique? Tag a friend in the comments who would love to learn about this 1,400-year-old tradition and share this video with someone who is obsessed with handmade treasures.